The most common planer accident involves the operator putting a board in the planer that is too short. Before using the planer, always check to be sure the dust collector is on and the slide gate is open. Stock must be 12 inches long to be cut on the planer. You should send the board through the planer with the grain. The cutter head in our planer is located at the top of the machine, removing the top of the board. On the planer, you should never take off more than 1/8 of an inch for narrow stock and 1/16 of an inch for wider stock. One turn equals approximately 1/16 of an inch. Aside from when you use a carrier board, stock must be 3/8 of an inch thick to be sent through the planer. You should set the depth of cut after you've measured your board, but before sending your board through. If your hands make contact with the infeed table, you might get pinched if your board twists or flattens. If your board gets stuck in the planer, you should lower the table, then shut off the planer and get assistance. It is not okay to look into the throat of the planer while it is running. If your board gets stuck in the planer, you should not immediately shut off the machine. It is not necessary to shut off the planer after each pass to change the table height. A short board in the planer might twist and kick back or damage the machine. It is not okay to send a board through the planer if it contains nails or screws. You should never send a board through the planer if it has finish on its surface because it gums up the machine. Cutter head. Power switch. Infeed table. Table roller height adjustment. Table height adjustment.